sacred than others, and it's what an honor to be in this territory and to get to sense its beauty and its meaning and its deep, long heritage and tradition. And so grateful for those who made us welcome here. All fights, all battles for the planet are important, but some are more important than others. And there is no battle on the face of the earth more important than what's going on here in Alberta. There are 3 or 4 places on planet Earth where there is enough carbon below the soil that if it gets dug up and burned, then there is no chance that we'll ever stabilize this planet's climate. And this is one of them. They've only got about 3% of the oil out so far from these tar sands. And our job is to make sure that it doesn't get much more than that. This fight is so critical for people every place on the planet. Not just people here whose land is being wrecked, but people whose land is being wrecked every day by flood and by drought and by forest fire. We've watched in the last few weeks thousands, maybe 10,000 people dead in northern India in record flooding. We've watched the flooding in Alberta. We've watched horrible floods in Central Europe. We've watched forest fires like we've never seen before across the southwest United States. We saw the highest temperature ever recorded any place on Earth.